Welcome to our channel. If you've just gained admission to a university in the USA, this video is for you. We'll guide you through the process of obtaining your I-20 form for your student visa. The I-20 form is a crucial document for any student dreaming of studying in the United States. It confirms your acceptance into a full-time program at a SEVP-certified institution. The I-20 form serves several critical purposes. Primarily, it acts as proof that you have been accepted into a SEVP-certified academic program. Furthermore, the I-20 form verifies that you possess the financial resources to support yourself during your studies in the United States. This assurance is vital, as it demonstrates your ability to cover your tuition, living expenses, and other associated costs without relying on unauthorized employment. The information provided on the I-20 form is electronically retrieved by U.S. consular officers when you apply for your student visa. This form is a non-negotiable requirement for obtaining an F1 student visa, the most common type of visa for individuals pursuing academic studies in the U.S. Without a valid I-20, your student visa application will be incomplete and likely rejected. Securing this document is a significant step towards embarking on a transformative educational journey in a new and exciting environment. Once you've received an acceptance letter from your chosen SEVP-certified institution, the next critical step is to begin the I-20 application process. The first and most crucial document is a copy of your passport. This document must be valid for at least 6 months beyond your intended period of stay in the United States. Next, you'll need to provide proof of your financial support. Acceptable forms of financial proof include bank statements demonstrating sufficient funds to cover at least 1 year of tuition, fees, and living expenses. If you're fortunate enough to have received a scholarship or assistantship, official letters outlining the terms of your financial aid are essential. In some cases, loan approval documents from reputable financial institutions can also serve as proof of financial resources. Naturally, you'll need to include your official admission letter from the SEVP-certified institution. Finally, most institutions require applicants to complete a university-specific I-20 request form. Navigating the I-20 process requires careful attention to deadlines. For students aiming to commence their studies in the fall 2025 semester, the journey begins well in advance. It's crucial to apply for admission to your chosen SEVP-certified institutions as early as possible, ideally by the preceding fall or early winter. Once you've secured admission, the window for submitting your I-20 application typically opens in the spring. For fall 2025, aim to have all your necessary documents, including your financial proof, submitted to your institution between April and May 2025. After submitting your complete I-20 application, the waiting game begins. The processing time for I-20 forms can vary, but it's generally advisable to allow for up to 8 weeks. Ideally, you should receive your I-20 form by June or July 2025. Section 4. After receiving your I-20, next steps in the visa process. Receiving your I-20 is a significant milestone, marking the beginning of a new chapter in your academic journey. Armed with this document, you're now equipped to navigate the remaining steps in the student visa application process. Your first task is to pay the SEVIS I-901 fee. This fee is mandatory for all students seeking to study in the United States on an F1 visa. The SEVIS fee supports the Student and Exchange Visitor Information System, a critical database used by the U.S. government to track and monitor the status of international students. For F1 visa applicants, the SEVIS fee is currently $350, although this amount is subject to change. Once you've paid the SEVIS fee, you'll need to complete Form DS-160, the online application for a non-immigrant visa. After submitting Form DS-160, you'll be required to pay the visa application fee, which varies depending on your nationality. With your application submitted and fees paid, you can schedule your visa interview at the U.S. Embassy or consulate in your home country. Section 5. Preparing for takeoff, your pre-departure checklist. Congratulations! You've successfully navigated the I-20 and visa application process, and are now on the cusp of embarking on your educational adventure in the United States. As your departure date approaches, it's essential to finalize your pre-departure arrangements, ensuring a smooth transition into your new academic life. Confirm your flight bookings, and ensure that your passport is valid for at least 6 months beyond your intended stay. It's also advisable to make copies of all essential documents, including your passport, visa, I-20, and acceptance letter. Next, connect with your institution's International Student Office to inquire about pre-arrival orientation programs. These programs offer invaluable insights into life on campus and in the local community, covering topics such as housing, transportation, healthcare, and cultural adjustment. Start packing early, considering the weather conditions and cultural norms of your destination city. As you bid farewell to familiar shores and embark on this transformative journey, remember that the world is your classroom. Embrace the challenges and triumphs that lie ahead, and make the most of this extraordinary opportunity to learn, grow, and create lasting memories. For more updates on travel abroad opportunities, immigration updates, world reforms and policies, and travel abroad opportunities, subscribe to our YouTube channel at The Global Window.